Now, Priyank and Techshri are joining us live as we get you breaking news inputs that are coming in on the hearing that's currently underway and the arguments that are ongoing. The Enforcement Directorate has challenged the Chief Minister's bail, and as the hearing is underway, we're getting to know that Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers are going ahead and are in fact putting up a strong case. We're getting Priyank to break down the details for us. The Arvind Kejriwal's lawyers in the High Court have gone ahead and have told that for the ED, they're behaving like it's either my way or the highway. What's the latest, Priyank?
Yes, certainly, Sagarika. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who's appearing on behalf of Arvind Kejriwal, has stated that once the Enforcement Directorate could not manage to win this application when the matter was being heard at the lower court for the regular bail petition of Arvind Kejriwal, now they have moved to the High Court. And they are trying to imply that whatever they are saying is the right thing. Following to which the argument has once again come to the same point of the approvers in this case, which is Raghavendra Reddy and his father, the Reddy the family's statement. What Abhishek Manu Singhvi is trying to put this point before the court, that for the 9th statement which was given by the Reddys to the Enforcement Directorate, they did not speak even a single word against me, but the moment they were arrested, certainly they started speaking against me, and that was implying that it was under some kind of pressure. The Abhishek Manu Singhvi has also stated that just because he had back pain, he was given bail from the jail, but in my case, they are not doing it. On the other side, the Enforcement Directorate has already put forward the point that how is it possible that the court order, which is certainly mentioning those points which can be mentioned during the conclusion of the trial, is being mentioned in the bail order copy, where they are saying that there is no evidence against Arvind Kejriwal and there is no clear-cut evidence of him receiving money. And now Enforcement Directorate has also stated that approximately 45 crore rupee and the 100 crore rupee demand, which was mentioned on the behalf of Arvind Kejriwal, has been mentioned by the Enforcement Directorate, and they have also given substantial evidence. So argument is continuing, but to be very precise, if the argument takes some more time, that the timing of release of Arvind Kejriwal can be put on hurdle. The Parwana who comes to the court can only reach to the Tihar jail approximately till 7 p.m. So if till 6:30 things are not clear, for sure Arvind Kejriwal is not coming out from this Tihar jail today.
All right. And the argument is still ongoing. And currently, as we speak, Priyank, it is Arvind Kejriwal's counsel who's making his submissions in court. And like you mentioned, the focus is currently on the statements made, by the approvers in this very case. Let's also go across to Techshri, who's tracking all the reactions for us. Techshri, ever since, in fact, yesterday when the bail order came out and not bail order, but when the bail was given by the Rouse Avenue Court, Aam Aadmi Party was in celebration mode. They went ahead and they said that this is a victory. This is Satyamev Jayate. The Bharatiya Janata Party went ahead and said this is nothing but a mere judicial process. What's the latest that you're tracking from the Bharatiya Janata Party, Techshri?
Well, you see, as you rightly pointed out, that yes, Aam Aadmi Party was in a celebration mode since yesterday. Karyakartas and the leaders gathered at Arvind Kejriwal's residence, met Sunita Kejriwal, and in fact today also they had a completely planned itinerary so as to what they are going to do in the morning. All the leaders went to meet Sunita Kejriwal. They greeted her. Post that, they, along with Atishi, Saurabh Bharadwaj, Sanjay Singh, and other senior leaders of Aam Aadmi Party all went to Rajghat. They offered prayers there, and post that they came over here from where we are reporting right now is the Jangpura, from where Atishi has started her indefinite hunger strike, and these are the visuals in fact what we are giving you from this particular indefinite hunger strike, where several in fact MLAs and spokespersons are sitting here at the hunger strike. But as far as the future plan of Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, yes, they are also in a wait and watch mode, because till the time when Enforcement Directorate was not knocking the doors of the High Court, they were very much sure that Kejriwal will be walking out on the bail in the second half of the day, probably by 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock,
right.
And that way they had planned that they will be going to Tihar jail. Post that they will also be going to Rajghat. But as of now, there is no concrete plan, because all eyes are on the court's decision so as to what court says.